Hey, what's up you guys? Mel Quinn here, hope everyone's well. So my best friend, a YouTuber friend, Connor Wells, his birthday's coming up. He's one of my closest friends. I've been friends with him for about 8 years from college. He's an amazing, hardworking guy, he's funny, he's done a lot for me, so I can't thank him more. This is the least I can do is make him a cake, a hedgehog cake. A cursed hedgehog cake. Let's go. Just to point out, as I'm making it, it's going to have to be a voiceover situation because unfortunately I've picked a weekend where my whole family is inside. I don't have a closed off kitchen, so I'm just going to have to make it and voice over it, but I will be filming Connor's reaction for it afterwards when he receives the cake. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited to make this cursed hedgehog cake. Okay, sorry Connor if you're watching, this was a cake mix. I'm really sorry. As you can see, I am struggling to get the bag open. There we go, with some scissors. I'm zooming in because there's a lot of double chin action going here. So with the cake mix you add oil, water and 3 eggs and mix together. Here's me showing the mix and then I drop it like an absolute idiot. Yeah, you clean that up, you silly sausage. And then we whisk till smooth. I have to apologise, I'm not wearing much makeup here. I've been wearing a lot of makeup and now I feel ugly without it. Okay, we're not talking about my life story, sorry. Here's me greasing the pans, and one of them is taller than the other. I've tried to give it like an illusion of a round hedgehog shape really. And yeah, I put them in and I put it in the oven for approximately about 28 minutes, I'm guessing. I don't know why these were stuck so much because I really greased the pans. Make sure you put greaseproof paper in there next time. Yes, so this isn't going back in the oven to kill germs. So, you know, for all the COVID Karens, I'm making sure I wear gloves and a mask because it's for someone else. I couldn't afford the frosting, so this poop-like mixture is me trying to make the frosting out of butter, icing sugar, vanilla extract, and cocoa powder basically. I did a thin layer in the middle, tried to use most of it to cover it up, and here's a nice sort of time lapse of me covering the cake, looking super ropey as hell. Then we're using orange matchsticks to make the spikes of the hedgehog. Definitely not mint, because mint and chocolate is disgusting. If you have mint and chocolate, you're probably a serial killer. These are sweets, I don't know what they are, but they made the eyes. Some teeths, and here's me getting excited because it's coming together. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna get my mum. I'm gonna be like all serious about it. And I'm like, Mum, this is my first time decorating a cake. Could you see if it's all right? I'm gonna get her now. And this is my first time decorating a cake. Don't look. Can you just tell me what you think of it? Like, you can look now. I'm quite serious about this. It's a hedgehog.
I was just gonna say, is it a hedgehog? Is that the lip?
There's his mouth. Do you like it? Doesn't it look just like a hedgehog?
Yeah, sort of. It's got crab's eyes.
You're actually proud of it. I'm really surprised.
A little taste.
No, it's for Connor.
Oh, right.
It's a cursed hedgehog cake. It's like people trying to make hedgehog cakes, but they're turning out really horrible and scary. Oh. And that's what it's meant to be. That's why it's called. It's called a cursed hedgehog cake. Mm-hmm. No, you didn't get terrifying out of that. You did not get terrifying out of that.
It does look a bit terrifying, like an alien hedgehog.
You're useless, you are. Okay, so here is the cake. On my way to Connor now. I have no idea how he's going to react to it, but we'll see. See you there. I'm here at his flat. Big up Vicky, his fiance, for helping me surprise him. So hopefully he'll be at the bottom of the flat soon. Okay, Connor, I baked you something.
Christ.
Don't look yet. Don't look yet. It's one of my finest works.
Okay.
I'm really good, I think, at cake decorating.
I won't open it on the bin. But, oh, sick! It's a hedgehog.
How cute is it?
Right, those teeth.
Well, you could tell it was a hedgehog.
Well, it's like that meme, you know, when you cringe at something like
A cursed hedgehog cake.
a cursed hedgehog cake.
Yeah.
I'm sure there must be like a Reddit for that, like cursed.
Yeah, there is. There's a bunch.
cakes.
There's a bunch of because I saw someone make it on TikTok, and I was
Yeah.
like, well, whose birthday is it soon? I was like, Connor's birthday's soon, so I'm going to make this as a video, and I thought you'd love it. So
Oh, mate,
yeah.
thank you so much, buddy.
I'm surprised you're actually like grateful for it. Did you say that's a Quinn or a bin?
That's an absolute Quinn, mate.
Connor, before I go, do you want to tell everyone your socials?
Yes, it is at CJW_HQ on the gram. I post every once a month on TikTok. not as consistent as
There's
you.
so little.
There's so
No,
little.
this one's a YouTube. It's a YouTube and a TikTok.
Oh,
Yeah.
so yeah, just my name on YouTube.
Let's have one more look at her before we go.
she's
I've got a face mask on. Karen's, calm down.
Yeah, no Karen, social distancing.
Yeah.
All that jazz. To go. So Mel, thank you very much for the cake. If my mum and family are watching this and I die, yeah, the cameras and guitars are all yours. Fight amongst yourselves for them. There's an absolute Quinn. That's actually generally well nice. That's love, mate. Big love. Process to you, Mel.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I think both my mum and Connor thought I was deadly serious when I was like, oh yeah, this is my first time decorating a cake, because they're both like, oh that's great. And Connor was like, thank you so much. So I hope they don't actually think that's my skill. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you like it, share around, and also videos every day on my TikTok, so feel free to follow that. Bye.